Hello students, how are you all? So students, this is the second part of chapter 10, that is simple present tense. So students, in this chapter we have already studied about the simple present tense in the exercise which is given here, and we have understood what is regular, what we do regular, that are also simple present tense, and we have understood in the details also. And we have done this exercise which is here. Okay. And now we will do the exercise, that is B. Circle the correct verbs. That is first one. Danish jog or jogs every day to keep himself fit. So we have to circle the correct verbs. So that means it will be jogs like this. Okay. Danish jogs every day to keep himself fit. Second one. Sana sleeps or sleep for 7 hours at night. So Sana sleeps for 7 hours at night. Now do we another one. Tarun brush or brushes his teeth twice a day. So we will circle two brushes his teeth twice a day. Now there is another one. Fourth one. It rain or rains a lot in winter. So that is rains a lot in winters. Then there is fifth one. They study or studies at St. Xavier School. So we will circle the study in St. Xavier's School. Then the sixth one. He built or builds houses for a living. So that means in this we will be circling the builds. He builds houses for a living. So students, fill in the blanks with the simple present forms of the verbs given in the brackets. So students, in this also we have to fill the verbs, but in the simple present forms. So let's begin with it. Mansi dash playing the flute for the school choir. So students, there is a word enjoy. So in this we won't be changing the verb because it is correct. So we will write down enjoy playing the flute. Enjoy playing the flute. So the next one. Sara and Tamal dash lawn tennis twice a week. So this is also correct, so we will write as it is. That means Sara and Tamal play lawn tennis twice a week. Okay students. So now here is another one. Third one. Every Sunday her family dash to the library for 2 hours. So in this we have to change the verbs. So that means we will write goes to the library for 2 hours. That is goes to the library for 2 hours. So here is another one. Fourth one. Alam dash hard for every exam. So Alam studies hard for every exam. Studies for every exam. Okay students. Then there is another one. He dash to call his sister in the evening. He tries. The try is written, then we will change the verb. That is tries to call his sister in the evening. Tries to call his sister in the evening. So here in another one. What dash your sisters do? So what does your sister do? So what does your sister do? So another one. He never dash to take a book. He never forgets to take a book. Forgets to take a book. Then the last one, Kailash dash beautiful stories. So Kailash writes beautiful stories. So writes, Kailash writes beautiful story. Okay students, so this is how we have to change the verbs into simple present form, and then we have to fill it. So let's do the another one. Complete this paragraph using verbs of your own choice in the simple present tense. Okay, so in this we have to change the words of our own choice. Okay, so let's begin. Every night after dinner, my brother and I go for a walk. Go for a walk. This is when we tell each other. So we're going to write tell each other about our day. She always gives me good advice if I am upset. If I am upset, she prays. She prays me if I have done something good. She also tells me about her day. It is my favorite time of the day. It is my favorite time of the day. So students, this is how we have to fill this paragraph. So now let's begin with the another one. Write 3 sentences under each category of in the simple present tense. So these are the fill in the blanks which we have to do it. We have to write 3 sentences. Okay, so in each category, that is activity I do, what I am, and things I own. So this is the homework for you students. Okay, in this there is written 3 sentences. So I will say write 1 sentence in each column under this category, and tell us what do you activities you do, what I am, and things you own. Okay students, so this is how you have to do these exercises. So students, this is how we have come to the end of this chapter. I hope students you have understood this chapter. So thank